No f***ing way. Well, that just happened.
I knew that was going to happen. The cord was so small.
Well, that sucks.
Looks like it's jump starting.
No, we need tools.
Drink all that beer yet? Oh, do you have more?
I have one in your bag.
Is there any left in here? Oh yeah, that's nice.
Go and give me my beer back, ass.
Doesn't matter. Not about the beers. Not about the beers, boys. It's about Saturdays, except for the boys.
It's Wednesday.
Oh, of course. Doing a good job. Oh, look at that. Right quick. No given, right, boys? That last one you gotta take off your
Oh, especially now that it's all
Language.
bent. We just gotta lift it up.
yeah.
It's going to be a lot of beep, beep.
Oh, you did it. That's scary. Here, can I
Why
take
is it
this
every
out?
time we go to the pit, it's always mad dark?
So we got it through.
Tied it back in here. Pretty much what you gotta do is just feed it through here, lift it out this hole in here, tie a knot on the end of it, pull it back tight in there.
Pull a little bit out right there.
It's also like a little spot you can kind of like push it in there.
Depending how big of a hurry you're in.
Okay. So now we want to bring it all the way to this next little notch. Pull it up. I like to feed a little bit more in there.
There we go.
This cable's going to be so short after.
It already was short.
Yeah, I know. That's why I broke.
Doesn't need to be long. That's not what she said, but I'm just saying it doesn't need to be long because these are Hondas.
Long enough for it to
It's
fire.
one or two still like pulls and it seems to go through once or twice. Hey, Rick?
No.
Hey, Rick. So spin it around 100 times and you're good to go, bro.
100 times?
So we're still in this river. You got her going. Quick and simple, just like we told you.
Fix.
Not a problem. Still lots of plenty of daylight to do this. Yeah, she's cold alright. It's cold. There goes Ricky. And you get the full cord back. A good half an hour delay. So we're good to go.
I think I
Sure. Yo, let's go down this river a little bit. Like that way.